Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Caramel Coils here again with another video. So today is going to be all about edges. Okay, so this is a highly requested video. I know a lot of people say, videos are highly requested, but no, this is really one of my most highly requested videos, an edge tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my edges for 3 different hairstyles. So sleek low puff, my wash and goes, and my sleek high buns. So, let's jump right into it. So this is an old wash and go. As you guys can see, my edges are crusty. My hair is just crusty overall. So I'm just going to go ahead and slick my hair back into a sleek low puff, or just into a low puff with using just water. Now I'm going to go in with my Eden Body Works hydration custard and apply that around my hair, primarily focusing on my edges, because you guys want to make sure that before you apply gel or any edge control that your hair is moisturized and hydrated. So you can already see that my edges are already starting to get smooth just with the cream alone. Now I'm going in with my Eco Styler gel, and because the rest of my hair isn't slick, I'm obviously adding the gel to the perimeter of my hair as well, just to make sure that the edges of my hair and the rest of my hair blend smoothly. But like I said, your edges are your primary focus, so I'm going back in with some more Eco Styler gel, applying that to my edges one last time before I start styling them. So the first tool I'm going in with is my rat tail comb, right? So I went ahead and did one swoop for you guys, just so you guys have an idea of, the style I'm going for. But I'm going to be doing 3 swoops. I don't know if you can kind of sort of see where the swoops are going to go. So the best way I can really describe how I'm swooping my edges is kind of like an uppercase L, if that makes sense. I mean, you guys see the motion that I'm doing, but just make sure that after each swoop, you guys are holding your edges, or else they're going to start shifting and lifting and all that. So you want to swoop and hold, swoop and hold. Right now, I'm just trying to perfect the outline and, kind of just like define my edges a little more. And then I'll be going in with my toothbrush. So the best way I can describe it is that the comb is kind of like a lip liner, right? So it's like defining, setting the foundation and outline, all that. And then I'm going in with my toothbrush or like a lipstick to smooth everything out, make everything look more full, more natural, and round it out. So again, I'm doing the same thing on the other side, using the comb to set my foundation, to outline my edges, and then later going in with my toothbrush to smooth everything out. Also keep in mind that if you wait too long to lay your edges, they're going to be hard to manipulate because the gel is starting to, do its thing and hold your edges into place, even if you haven't set them. So sometimes you may have to add water just so that they're a little easier to manipulate. So I'm not gonna lie, at this point in the video, it starts to get really redundant because I'm basically just doing the same thing over and over. Swoop, hold, and just perfecting my edges to how I like them. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, which is why I spend so much time on them. But, I didn't speed it up because I want you guys to see that I don't have those edges that just, one swoop and boom, I'm good to go. Like, I have to keep playing with them and keep playing with them. And so should you guys until you get them to, your desired style. So I like to set my edges with 2 scarves just to play it safe, one focusing more on my edges and the other focusing on the rest of my hair. And just like that, my edges are laid. Now for this edge style, I'm working on a freshly styled wash and go that I put up into a ponytail, going in with my Eco Styler gel, applying that to my edges and around the perimeter of my head, just so that the edges and the rest of my hair blend together smoothly. Now I'm going in with my toothbrush or my edge brush and going in with the same method, the swoop and hold. And I don't use a comb for this style just because we want it to look a little more effortless. It doesn't have to be so defined and so perfect. We're going for a more natural, effortless kind of vibe, if that makes sense. Now I'm going in on the other side and repeating the same steps. And again, to make sure everything is secure and in place, I'm going in with 2 scarves to set my edges. Now for this final edge tutorial, I'm going to be working on freshly deep conditioned hair, and I'm going to go ahead and style my hair like I would for a regular wash and go. Now that my hair is styled, I'm going to go ahead and bobby pin some of my hair back so you can actually see my edges. Now that you can actually see my edges, I'm going to go in with my olive oil eco styler gel and apply it to my edges. You guys should know the routine by now. But yeah, just go ahead and apply that in, smooth it in, get your rat tail comb, swoop and hold, then come back in again with your toothbrush and call it a day. Also, so I forgot to mention, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm literally just laying my edges. I'm not laying the part of my hair that's tucked behind the bobby pin. I used to do that really often, and see, that's the thing, moderation is key. So because I was abusing it, eventually my curls, like that part of my hair just stopped curling and it was just dead, lifeless. I mean, it still is. I'm sure you guys have seen it in my other videos. So these are the finished results, edges laid yet again. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next week.